When I first came to this property, I honestly thought it was a small collection of townhouses. That's the warm, homely character feel I had from the front of this complex. It is a small complex of apartments. And when I was standing on this terrace with the owner, Alessandro, he was telling me how he loves to start his weekends walking down Central Avenue, walking to the cafe with his partner, having breakfast, getting a coffee. And that's what he's going to miss the most about living here at 673 Central Ave in Mount Lawley.